Is your company facing the question of whether to renew your contract with cumbersome, expensive, and often difficult to use solutions like Maximo? With the complexity and expense of multiple modules and per-seat licensing costs for users, you have to wonder if it's really worth the hassle. You're trying to calculate if the price of this software is really giving you the return on investment that you need. Let me tell you about L2L's Connected Workforce Platform, a cloud-based solution that is fast, inexpensive, and easy to deploy, and very intuitive for the users. Best of all, there are no complex per-seat licensing costs, so everyone can use it from day one. Everyone in the plant has a login. No one is excluded. Maintenance, production, quality, safety. L2L connects your entire organization on a single platform, enabling better performance and improving availability. From frontline workers to the CEO, everyone is going to want to use L2L, and everyone has access to the system and data in what we like to call the single source of truth for your enterprise. So before you sign that big fat check for something that doesn't really work for your company, take a look at L2L. Click on the link below to book a quick demo and learn if L2L is right for you.